Hi family! Nandito tayo sa napakagandang Balanak River sa likod ng Villa Socorro Farm. So naisipan ko, dito naman natin i-shoot yung today para naayon sa theme. So medyo natagalan from the previous post. It's still not second nature sa akin na mag-shoot, mag-edit at mag-post ng sarili ko mga pinagagawa in my everyday life. But here's me just really trying to make an effort to do it a little bit more. So for today, what we'll be going through would be some, kumbaga, going back to certain things that I've always wanted to do. In this particular case, I've always wanted to learn, but actually never got to. Or in the case of biking, which you'll see later, learning how to bike, I remember falling down when I was younger. Tapos muntik na akong tumama dun sa isang poste where we were living sa Magallanes. And since then, I never got on a bike. There's always this level of fear na baka mangyari ulit, baka mahulog ulit. So I never got to learn. And here I am at age 30, saying na, okay, right before nga I get married, right before that, moving on and having my own kids perhaps that I would need to teach down the road. Sabi ko, sige, maybe it's time to learn again. And luckily, napakaswerte natin at meron tayong nagturo sa atin, some experts in this field of adventure, si Outbound. So thank you very much to Professor Mon Hoxon, Ateneo Graduate School of Business, and Outbound, World of Outbound, as well as si Rose, his lovely wife, for going through this journey with me and having the patience to teach me to learn how to bike. So, tingnan natin yung kwento of Raymond gets on a bike.
Raymond Aaron's Bike 101 tutorial. So what we're gonna do is that we will familiarize Raymond with the parts of the bike. So Raymond, this is the RD. That's the rear derailleur. What happens is that the chain would have to go through these cogs. Ganito lang yan. The bigger the cog, the easier the pedal will be. The smaller the cog, the harder to pedal. What is it for? The big cog is for uphill. The small cog is for downhill. The middle there will be for flat. Now you control that here with these two.
May ganun. High touch na. May ganun. Lahat ba ng bike ganyan?
Ito dati na to. Marami na
Okay,
gear.
okay.
Pero this one, hindi ko, ilan ba to? 12 na ata to. 12 speed na to.
I see.
It's a 1/12 setup. I think. So this is how many cogs you have, so that will be your speed. Then merong pangipin yan. Engineer Vince can explain that because so this is the crank. This is the what's this? The front. That's the main plate, front chain, basta cogs, right? So ito yung cogs mo. So here, very very simple. You use this to go downhill. So push it like this. If you'll notice, nag-move yung RD, right? I will go uphill here. This is uphill, this is downhill. Uphill, downhill.
You just push down.
Yeah, always.
But you have to be moving.
But you have to be moving. You have to
have to
do
be
it on the fly.
Pedaling para mag-shift.
Right.
Okay.
So, there.
Up, down. Up yung
This
taas.
is down,
Down,
downhill, uphill.
uphill. Okay.
Downhill, uphill. Downhill, uphill. There. Now, the modern bikes have what you call, most especially for mountain bikes, you have what you call seat dropper. There.
Whoa!
Oh. So this, when do,
Yun lang. Na-amaze na yun. No?
when do you use it? When you go downhill, of course. Kasi your center of balance dapat mas mababa. But when you go uphill, this will be torturous. Kasi yung knee mo, maikli lang yung travel. So, dapat nakaganyan yan, nakataas. So, whenever you go downhill, on the fly again, you just press that with your weight, the saddle will go down, and then just lift your butt a little later on, makukuha mo yan, then that's good. But this part, you'll learn na lang later on. What is important is to get your balance first. Your balance now, here's your handlebar. And this is the rear brake. This is the front brake. What you want to do always is to apply brakes same. So, madalas sinasabi nila, always rear. No. Minsan kasi nagsaslide out yung kailangan mong bawasan ng spin ng front. Kaya dapat laging, basta kung every time you brake, it should be the same force. Just to be sure. Now, the way to hold on to your bike. So normally pag first time ka, gigil, di ba? No. Always relax. Naka-relax yan. Either you use one finger, two finger. Etong Kiro siguro palagay ko two fingers. Yan. There. So, to start off, when you want to bike maintenance, you want to put your pedal always in the 12 o'clock position shown here. Diba? That's a 12 o'clock position. How do you do that? You crank it this way, clockwise. Here, that's a 12. And then you can...
Left pa dati? Left yung naka-12?
Lagi yung left. Why? Because the RD is here. The RD is an expensive part of the bike. And that is, yan ang madali masira. So, what you want to do is to press the brake here and then slowly put it down. That's okay.
So it's for practical purposes.
Yes. Why 12 o'clock? Para hindi magasgas masyado yung nandito. So naka-lift pa rin siya, di ba? So yan ay naka-expose, yung RD naka-expose sa taas. Right? So get in your bike.
So kung mahuhulog ako, kailangan pa left parati.
Sana. Good point.
So pagka mag-gewag na ako, go left.
Actually, huwag mo isipin yung bike pag maguhulog.
Okay.
Isipin mo ikaw.
Okay.
Kasi
Thank
yung
you.
bike na papalitan.
Okay.
Pero itong bike na to,
Pero,
para...
okay. I think,
Itong bike na to,
isipin ko
para...
rin yung bike. Okay.
Boss, dapat kasi sa BMX ka nagsimula eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi mo na sa ganito eh.
Ito,
Pero kahit
size
yung
ng
ganito ka
BMX.
agad, advanced na yun eh.
Size ng BMX yan. It plays like a BMX.
Okay.
Pero,
The-
kasi usually naman
Not
kung
for
mahuhulog
anything.
ka.
The brand that you're gonna use, you Google it later.
Kaya nga parang kinabahan doon. Yun yung una ko. Kaya nga inisip ko lang paano ko babagsak eh.
Alright. Now, when you're trying to learn, first time, actually, dapat may tool pala ako, pinatanggal ko muna yung pedal, is to do this. Ganito lang. Ganito lang ang first natin, ha? Skill set. So, mounting the bike, brake, always put it here, and then mount. And then get your center of balance here, right? And then you sit on it. Now, note na nakapreno na akong dalawa dito. Right? And then what you do, anong tawag natin doon? Rose? Scoot to pedal.
Scoot to pedal.
Scoot to pedal. What you do is scoot, scoot, and then lift. Scoot, scoot, and then you lift. Yeah.
Coach mo naman yan.
Oo nga eh.
Scoot, scoot ka lang.
Grabe yung grabe yung coach ko ngayon, no?
Guide, pati yung detail na wrong brother, right brother, nagre-retain sa utak nila. Yun po. Pati yung dapat mabilis utak mo, marunong kang mag-ano, yung kay TLO ka ng mga SBA.
My student.
Or,
Go, Raymond. Look ahead. Timplahin mo yung preno mo, ha? Look ahead.
Mamaya na, sige.
Ikaw din.
Baka ma-break yung train of thought mo.
yeah, pero
Tuloy.
even if that, I think it's still a good thing that the people who were sent here are people who, what do you call it? Yung soil, yung prepared soil. What do you call that? Yung prepared
Grabe, pag nagustuhan mo to. Oh my God. Pag humihirap ang pagpedal, remember your shit.
So guys, like they said, it's just like riding a bike, but for someone like me, that's not really, that doesn't apply because I never really got to, but I guess now's the chance. Thank you to Coach Mon and POEI for today's session.
Shift! Shift mo para mas matigas.
Go! Look ahead, Raymond. Look ahead. Don't mind the locks. Look ahead. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah! Grab it, grab it.
Okay, so yun na yun. Nakasakay naman tayo. Woohoo! Nahuhulog, syempre, paminsan-minsan. But generally, we got to go straight. We got to do what we wanted to do, achieve what we wanted. What's our biggest learning from that experience? Si Mon would always say na, look ahead, Raymond. Look ahead. So, minsan ganun nga yung nangyayari pagdating sa biking, but also probably most or also in life. Minsan we tend to look too close, di ba? Masyado tayong ang lapit ng tinitingnan natin, nakatingin tayo sa baba. So we're looking at the short-term things, what's happening to us in the moment, that we tend to forget and look ahead. We forget what really matters to us, what's in front of us, and ano yung destinasyon. And at the end of the day, mahulog man tayo, matumba man tayo, masugatan man tayo, ang importante ay papatungo tayo sa tamang direksyon in that kung saan natin ano talaga yung gusto nating ma-achieve. So, yun na yun. And I guess until the next video, I've been your Banana Chief. Puno ng puso, full of heart. Thank you for watching and see you again until the next time. Bye!